Right, sir. You can start the meeting, sir. Maya, sir, you are the senior most, I suppose, in the group. Yeah. ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನಿಬ್ರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಮುನಿ ಚೂಡಪ್ಪನವರು ರವಿ ಅವರು ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇನ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
We'll start the meeting anyhow.
ಚಂದ್ರಯ್ಯ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಸರ್.
Chandra ಅವರು, yes, you already given the agenda 2 points.
The mainly is one is the MERT. There are some abstract which are submitted for the approval.
Yes.
Projects.
Yes.
I think one is Bina Anthony from Father Muller Medical College. She has submitted, and I think it has been submitted on the group. I hope everybody has gone through. If not, I'll just brief.
Brief ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Brief. She is from microbiology department, Father Muller Medical College. Basically, she is doing a topic on the probiotic potential of lactobacilli and biofid bacteria against various gastrointestinal anaerobic pathogens. Basically, to investigate the antagonistic activity of various these probiotics against GIT anaerobic pathogens, and to evaluate the best in vitro method to demonstrate the antagonistic activity. Duration of the project is 1 year. Then amount requested is 51,500. There are no other financial resources they have mentioned. Ethical clearance has been applied. The proposal has come to the MERT for the approval, and she has given us the brief background of this and project outline, material and methods, and all the details what is required. So basically, this is in brief the project.
ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್
ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Budget ಅದೇ ಸರ್
50,000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ for what reason? What are the
split up for that budget is stock cultures 16,000, commercial probiotics 4,000, culture media 15,000, anaerobic sachets 10,000, petri dish 6,500. So that is the breakup of.
This main point which I wanted to highlight, I already talked about that also. There is no contribution from the department. In any of our research projects, there should be some amount of commitment from the institution. But the other point which really disturbs me about it is that the project is done for the sake of MERT. They are not interested in doing the project for the institution. Ultimately, the person and the institution gets the name. Only MERT's name is mentioned at the end of the article or somewhere, even if it is published also. Otherwise, it may not be noticed. We may highlight whenever we want to bring out these aspects. Otherwise, MERT is not going to get any claim over all these things. But the investigator has specifically mentioned this project is being done for the MERT, which is not appropriate approach, which I feel it. So in that context, the institution also, they should have some amount of a contribution, which I would like to say that the petri dish and the media, those two things can be contributed by the institution. The other things, special medias or special cultures, probably we can always sponsor in that context. That's my personal view.
Sir, if I may add the comments, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ sir, after you asked, I had written to the lady and her reply has also been appended. You probably saw her reply. The institution's contribution has been the setting up of the whole lab. What they have asked for us to contribute is towards the consumables. And institution has set up the whole microbiology lab, and she has made a point that the institution has been very, very supportive in setting up the lab.
No, that institution is always there. Yeah. Ultimately, the author or the investigator gets the name.
Yeah. Second,
so
sir,
the institution also gets the name. That's where some amount of parts. Even if you look at the GST, DST, Department of Science and Technology, or even ICMR, all those projects, there are infrastructures are available in the institution. Whatever little extra equipments or extra media, extra reagents, all those things are all provided by the supporting agencies.
That is exactly what she is asking,
That's the
sir.
policy we are contemplating. I mean, we are following for all these days.
That is
That's
exactly
where, for
what she has
example,
done.
Petri dish is a part of a microbiology department's stock. Similarly, culture media, regular.
Sir, if
I'm
you-
not talking special media. Definitely, we have to sponsor that point. So that's what we are talking
Sir,
about.
if you want to, cut down some of the requests and say, I'll give you partial support, that is perfectly acceptable.
No, it's
That is
a
not an
question of
issue.
cutting down.
No, one
Just
thing,
understand this
well,
point.
sponsoring, what is the title they are going to give? It is from the hospital and sponsored by MERT. Are they not going to write it?
Sir, we can insist on that, sir. We can
That
say
you
we
have
have
to
to say
insist.
this. Yeah. Okay.
Sponsored by the MERT,
Yeah,
number
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Number two, they are asking all disposables only.
Yeah.
Disposable only. And the support is there from the hospital.
No support, sir. Only patients are being taken from the hospital.
What is the support you want them to give?
That's what I said. Petri dish, they cost about 5,000 and odd.
Ah.
And the culture media, regular culture media, are the two things the institution should support.
Ah.
The special medias, the probiotics, all these things we can always sponsor.
I
Because
think
that
we
is
should
one which is
discuss that
specially
aspect.
required.
You are right. Petri dish and all things should be given by the institution.
And they can reuse it also. It's not just a one-time usage of.
What Dr. Lakshman says, this.
Sir, my view is very clear on this. We started from the point that there were no requests for support.
Yes.
And within a very short time, we have had 3 requests. And my view is that we should be free and give support for the first 10 projects, as long as we are not cheated, through some private agencies. We should give them support so that the news gets around this year that MERT is here to support studies. And there will be more and more requests in the coming year. When the requests are greater in number, we can do 2 things: screen them with greater severity, apply more strict rules, and B, support more projects by supporting them partially and not completely. That would be my view. If we are very strict in the very first few projects where we don't support them, then I presume the idea is to project that MERT is here to support research project. If that is the idea really, then if we are very strict in the beginning stage, there will be an issue, sir.
Generally, I agree with this point because I made this comment last time that we did not have any research projects going on. So it is not this year we have no other expense. It is necessary we have to encourage this. But what is the cost of this Petri dish and other things? Which
20,000, sir. It comes about 20,000. 20,000 total. Additional, whatever talking, out of 51,000, about 20,000 is the cost of the Petri dish and the regular media. Special medias, lactobacilli, other probiotics, they cost about 31,000 rupees or so. So that amount we can always think of providing. But these 2 things, I'm against providing these things. Because
that is not a big issue.
All these years, we have followed this principle as per whatever we have seen it in the other institutions or higher centers also where the research activities are going on. There is some amount of commitment from the institution. Always there is some amount of commitment. That's what we are talking about it. We are not asking them to provide everything in that respect. So Petri dish is a reusable one. So the institution has got it. They have asked for 5,000 rupees. And the culture media also, they have got about 15,000 rupees they have asked for that. So that's what we are talking about. Even in the previous version also, I told you, the ultrasound, they were charging 500 rupees. But that is a high figure because the institution gets a name. Ultimately, MERT is in the corner. It is only we get a small name that is sponsored.
MERT is always in the corner, sir. Sir, one thing, sir. What is MERT's expectation in this? I want to know. When you're not, what is MERT's expectation in terms of recognition? Then we'll have to spell it out before
we don't expect too much of a recognition.
But in the corner, bantu, sir.
What is to be done?
Sir, what is to be done? Please
is
say
that in the name, of course, the hospital name they will write, the author's name will be there, hospital name there, and along with that, shall we say the MERT's name should be there?
Sir,
Sir, if you look at all the articles whichever are published, it is in the end of that article they mention the project is sponsored by MERT.
Correct.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯಾವ ವಿಚ್ ಸರ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಲರ್ಸ್ NIH ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ NIH ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ನಾಲೆಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ received from NIH ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ
We are not asking anything big from that part.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್
What I
ಸರ್
am
ಇದು
asking is-
so well, that is all you can do. They
No,
when they
that
write
is
it,
your attitude. That is no. I am telling you, my this one is thinking is some amount of commitment is required from the institution.
so the
That's
two
why
are
they
separate
issuing.
issues. One is commitment from that is separate from the recognition that you want for MERT. What is the recognition you want for MERT? Please spell it out.
No, we don't want any big recognition.
Okay, then that is not an issue.
No.
All you will get is
No,
one
no, I
line.
think let us not clear. What is it you want the people to write about MERT? Is it enough at the end of it they say
Yes, that's
it is
good
sponsored
enough.
by
That's good enough.
sponsored by the MERT? I think
Okay.
that's what
Fine.
is expected.
That's
That is
okay.
we can't write in the beginning along
No,
with this
never,
name.
never. We have never
So
insisted on that. Talk about it.
in a thick letter, I would say, in a very prominent letter.
Not thick, sir.
No, it is important. No, it is important because people must know we are sponsoring this. So we are sponsoring that. I think party will agree, I suppose.
Yeah.
Dr.
Sir,
Lakshmana,
doubt ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
there is no doubt about that. The second point is
Yeah.
commitment from the hospital institution.
So,
What about that?
sir, can I talk now?
Yes,
Yes, yes, sir.
What Dr. Chandrasekhar is telling is MERT's name has to be mentioned whenever they publish the contribution, whatever is the MERT, this project so and so is sponsored by one, that we have agreed. Second problem is what we are discussing here is the institution's name will be there in the publication. Now, what is the contribution of institution for the project? That is what we want to know. If there is any
Sir.
contribution, their name should be highlighted. That is what is the discussion. Now here she has already mentioned that institution has got provided that and this. In the letter what I read,
correct.
the institution is to provide seed money to the researchers to conduct small research project and pilot studies. The present project is new one and I prepared it exclusively for MERT.
Yeah.
So here she says that institution is to provide seed money for small research projects. In this project, it is not being provided by the institution. So the discussion here would be whether institution is going to provide any money to this project or it is only sponsored by the MERT. So that will be the issue here.
Yeah.
If so, are we going to totally give the 51,000 what she has requested? Are we going to cut down on some of the things what we discussed, that is Petri dish or culture media? So that will
Sir,
be the point.
I'm okay with not paying for Petri dish and culture media, sir. 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ sir. We can communicate. We can communicate to them.
Now, is there any institution contribution? Yes or no? They have to.
Illa sir, the matter is very simple. We can say that it is as a policy of MERT, institution has to bear some of the expenditure of the project. In that context, we are prepared to support you to the extent of 30,000 rupees. If you give it to us in writing that the rest of the money will be obtained from the institution or any other source for you to complete the project, please indicate this and then we will release our money in batches, in tranches.
Okay.
Another thing is she has
Yeah.
mentioned it is purely for MERT.
No, sir, see, you're reading it in the wrong context.
That's
Sir.
the
Please
wording is
understand.
wrong.
Sir, it's the wrong context.
It is wrong. It is wrong.
English,
You should
sir.
not mention that.
She's not trying to cheat MERT. Please understand that. She is a very.
You should, when you are reading it, that's clearly it came out like that.
Sir, I reject ಮಾಡೋಣ sir. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Reject ಮಾಡೋಣ. I'll write to her that because you've done it only for MERT, we'll reject it.
No, Lakshman, it's not a question of cutting down on the grants what we are going to give it.
Sir, if you,
We are talking
sir,
about-
we are reaching a very fundamental issue here. If
Yes.
you doubt the, if you,
only in terms, for example, there
sir,
was
let me finish, sir.
one epidemiological study was done
Yeah.
where we provided more than 1.5 or 1.7 lakhs to Ramakrishna Ashram in some place.
Yeah.
There, they provided the manpower. All the other things, whatever required, then we provided that way. So there is some amount of commitment from the ashram for this activity.
Sir.
In all the projects, all this time, whatever we are sponsoring, there is some amount of commitment. from
Sir,
the-
I have already, I'm sorry, let us curtail the discussion
No,
because we need to be
Here-
focused.
Here you said, there is these things you should not think about it. You must provide all the things.
Sir, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
This one.
I'm saying this, if you think that she has written to just to draw money from MERT, that was the suggestion.
You
It's written
forget
for
about
MRT, ಅದನ್ನ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. I mean, if you say so, then you shouldn't give any grant. Now,
No.
if you're doubting the genuineness of this person's project, you should not give them any money.
No, if that is there, then
ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
discussion would not have taken place.
Sorry, so that point that she has written it for MERT is out of the discussion. Is that agreed?
I'm not talking about that
Fine,
point.
let us, okay, one by one, that is out of the way. Now you say there must be a contribution from the institution. I agree. So we will tell her, I'll give you 30,000 rupees, MERT, you find the money from the institution for the 20,000. And if you agree with it, then we go ahead. If you can't find the money elsewhere, then we will not, first you must find that money and start your project and show that you have started the project, and then we'll release the money. And the third issue was, what is MERT's recognition? The only thing you can get is a line in the acknowledgement of the paper that comes out. That's exactly what I did for the 50,000 I got from MERT. I wrote in the acknowledgement, this project has been supported by MERT. That's all there is in one line.
That's what. If
That is
you-
all one can get.
I think since we are not many projects and we have to encourage all these things, and she is a laboratory and also bacteriology, I think we should sanction 30,000, and then she
perfect.
should get some support from the institutions.
Yes.
I think that should be all right. I think.
Okay.
If any article is there,
Yeah.
if you see in the main article, title of the article,
Yeah.
then the investigator's name, then comes the institution name.
How the sir?
MPRT will not come in the title, this one, title
Yeah.
or first page. It's only
Yellow,
in-
correct,
So
sir.
we are
Yellow
not
baralla.
concerned about that part. We are
Okay.
never concerned about it.
Fine. Well, I thought you questioned it this time in this meeting. Recognition ilvalla.
We are never questioned about that.
All
part.
right.
That's
All
all
right.
what we are.
Maybe I misunderstood you, sir. Okay. All right.
Okay,
Yeah.
can I talk some things about
Ready, sir.
technical?
Yeah.
One thing is, see, is she the head of the department or
She is.
no?
Yeah.
So the problem would be if the head of the institution is, department is there, they have to forward through the head of the department, any project.
She is the head of the department, sir.
So that is not
Veena.
mentioned. I was little confused about that.
Okay.
If she is head of the department, there is no issue. Otherwise, most of the times when they do project, the head of the department will come in the way in some of the projects, and some of the projects have been altered. For that
Point taken, sir. I will talk to her and confirm that she is the head of the department. If she is
So
not, if she is not, I'll get it forwarded by the
30,000 is
executive.
sanctioned. Huh?
Sir, that point will be dealt with, sir. Yeah.
No, so all the projects when they come through, I think we need to insist on through the head of the department, they
Yes.
should forward.
Yeah. Sir, the problem is this. Namma Pro Pharma does not insist on this.
No, that's
We'll
what
do it from now on. We are learning.
Yeah, we have to correct some of these issues
Yeah.
because it will come through the head of the
Mana, sir.
institution. I think we
Head
need
of the
to take
institution
permission.
also is there. It's all part of it. All these things, they comes to the head of the department, and then head of the institution also he must be in the
Okay.
loop, because he
Yeah.
cannot.
Could
do
we
it from the
have some clause like
institution.
progress has to be mentioned in between?
Yeah, that
Progress
really-
of the
that
project.
rights are always interim report and release and other things we are writing.
So that I think
Only
you
my
have to,
concern is,
huh.
now,
because
the
we
third-
must know.
Now, I'll just tell you. Now, she is on the verge of retirement at the age of 60.
Oh,
Okay. Now, if suppose she retires, who will carry on the project?
Sir, her successor will carry on the project.
Now that, see,
That is, the institution will make sure of that.
That's where the
And-
Head of the institution also must be kept in the.
Correct. No,
Okay,
no, no, sir.
no.
We'll do that. I mean, these are all conditions. I'm going to draft a letter and send it to you. You will see that all that will be mentioned.
I think some
And the
of
investigator will
we
continue.
had this problem when we were sitting in the university. Suddenly they get retired. That project will never be completed. They would have drawn the money.
Ah.
Nobody to ask. If we ask,
Yes,
also
yes.
nobody knows who is going to do next person. So the co-investigator here is not the actually the staff in the department. I don't know whether it is staff or just CRO.
Sir, if you want me to arrange a Zoom meeting with her, I'll arrange it. You can talk to her.
No, I'm just
No,
trying
anytime. If
to-
you want
for
it, I'll do it,
future
sir.
projects. For future projects, we need to insist some of these points so that we'll be very clear when
What Chandra has mentioned is very important.
Yes.
If she is going to retire, the problem comes. So we must have some idea. Dr. Lakshman will go and get into this problem.
Yeah.
Whether who will look after if she retires, or the project may take 1 year, isn't it?
Sir, actually,
whether
she
she'll
has
be there
amended
or-
it to 6 months, sir.
So make sure about that because it's a very important
I have
thing.
made sure initially in one place she has said 6 months, in another place she has said 12 months. So I wrote to her and said, what is the actual duration? She said 6 months. Yeah.
Now, my question at this juncture would be co-investigation should be the other staff member or
Immediate
anybody.
next,
Yeah.
immediate next member.
Okay.
So whether should we insist on some of the staff member can be the co-investigator. So
Yeah.
suppose if she retires, somebody can carry forward this project.
Yes.
I will do
Correct.
that, sir. Yeah.
No,
That's
all the
correct.
projects, irrespective of these projects.
Fair
what
enough.
I am
Fair
saying.
enough. These are fair questions in that will be
That's
addressed. Yeah.
Some of these things I think we should insist before they send the project so that we are safe. When we release the money, somebody else can carry forward this project.
We
Yes.
must include this in our pro forma.
Go formally
Yes,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು sir ಅದನ್ನ.
I think we should insist on some of these things.
Yes, it's
So
very
that we are
important.
safe when we release the money, it will be halfway through.
Yes, yes. You're
Agreed.
right. So please include this in the pro forma in future.
Martin, sir, I will arrange it.
I think these are some of my doubts which I had on this. I think.
Okay, so to conclude on this issue, sir, please correct me if I am wrong. I will write to her and make sure as to whether it has come through the HOD. She herself is the HOD from what I can guess, but I'll get a confirmation of that. It will also have to be agreed to by the head of the institution.
Yes.
And
Head of the
second,
institution
let me finish, sir. Let me finish, sir. And also say that the co-investigator is a staff member. We want confirmation that the co-investigator is a staff member. When these three things are confirmed, I'll then say that we are happy to release 30,000 rupees in tranches, in installments based on the progress report that she gives us.
Correct.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, sir.
We have to be very clear on the installments also, I think, at this juncture. First installment, second installment, and final will be after submission of the complete report
Study.
or whatever it is, the balance amount, we have to hold some amount in the end and release.
Okay.
For the publication or what it is, we have to be very
So
clear.
shall we say 10,000 in the beginning? They need the money to start off with the projects and all that.
Probably
10,000.
in the beginning,
Sir?
because culture media probiotics, they require more money.
Yeah.
So in that way, probably.
Hearing more must be given, correct.
So you want 15 in the
50%
beginning?
Released.
Yeah, 15 in the beginning. And then the
Further release will be there. We can put it that way.
yeah. So we'll say 10,000 after the
No,
first
no,
3
don't
months.
mention.
Hmm.
Depending upon the progress, further funds will be released. You can
All
get
right.
that.
Okay, sir. I'll do that. Okay.
Final installment after the completion or submission of the final report or what?
Correct. Okay. All right. All right, sir. The next point, sir, Chandra, sir, CME ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
You said one more project?
ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ sir, we rejected that.
Rejected, okay.
Yeah. It was there's one project from the anesthetic department of Father Muller.
That is
ಒಂದು thyroid, ಒಂದು gall bladder. We rejected the thyroid. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು.
I felt both would have included as one project. But
Yeah.
anyway, it is over. Let us not discuss
One
that.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That is done.
I would like to know whether we can give more than one person in a year or is it
Sir, I have no doubt that all these considerations come when we are flooded with
No,
projects.
they had submitted two, no, laparoscopy and thyroid.
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
Alala,
What
whether
my
we give more than one or we should be
of
also.
course I'll give 10 to 1 person if he's doing it.
If the project is good, even if it's more than one, we should be able to give.
Yeah.
In this particular case, unfortunately, if they have made it one, it would have been nice because the principle is same.
Yeah, but they
No,
have two separate studies, sir.
No, all the trials people, they won't give more than 3 at a time. That is the restrictions they have. That's why I'm
Well, if you
Sir,
have,
Adela, those restrictions come when there are
then there are plenty. Huh?
hundreds of applications.
Ah.
ಅವಾಗ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
No,
ನಮ್ಮ
even
ಯಾರು
if,
ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ
for
ಏನ್
example, if you give to the same person more than 3,
Yeah,
we be able to do also is the question we want to know.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಯಾತಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
No, some of them cannot do because if there are too many projects they take, they may not be able to concentrate on all the projects.
Sir, they will have staff. These are all medical colleges. ನಮ್ದು ಸಾಗರ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ every year with absolutely no staff, we
It
do
depends.
six projects, sir.
Depends.
It,
It
it
depends.
depends on the projects. Why
Yeah.
should we worry now?
Yeah.
Let us hope we get 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Then only we'll think. There is no point in that.
Now
Let us not make a rule like that.
Yeah, I go to the first point again. If we keep on putting rules which people cannot surmount, we cannot become popular as a sponsoring agency for studies. First ad barbek sir.
No, is there any rationale is there or not? Whatever we are talking about, is there rationale or not? We are not putting any obstacles for the research.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ
No,
suppose
I'm sorry, Lakshman. This is
Yeah.
not the thing to be talked about.
Yeah.
We are talking with some rationale. We are not
sir
trying to
rationale ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು
shut
sir.
down the projects. No, I'm
Sir,
sorry. I'm
Sir,
sorry to
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
say
ಅರ್ಥ
this.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Please
No,
see
no,
what I say in a
I'm
context.
understanding only. I'm talking about it.
When we have no projects at all, if 3 projects come from one person, why should we stop him?
No. Depending upon the feasibility or the importance, we can always look at it. But
Yeah.
there is some amount of limitations. also there.
Let us not worry about that now because we don't have that now. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Next.
CME ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ? ಸಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. I can facilitate it because there were at least 2 questions or 3 letters asking whether CME is on or not and when it is. So the trust has to decide whether you want to hold the CME or not. If you say yes, I can help you with it, you can find the date. If you say no, we can announce that this year we are not holding the CME. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಸರ್. Because until now we are saying we don't know yet. So I think we need to decide and let the world know.
What Chandraya, what you want to say?
I feel we can run trial only this year. Maybe for one day we can give a trial and do.
Sir, Maya.
Is it possible to do a clinicals?
No, that's what, sir. One day we can give a try of 2-3 lectures or 4 lectures and clinicals and see how it responds. Also, we don't know how the students will respond. We can arrange, we can do everything, but how is the response from the students? We don't know. That is the whole.
I'll tell you my surgical experience, which may not translate into medical experience. Midcon anta ನಾವು 17th and 18th October ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಸರ್. Mid-term conference of surgical society, state level. Normally during a physical conference there would be about 150 170 registrations and 60 abstracts. ಹುಡುಗರು ಹಾಕೋರು papers, abstract ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ, papers and posters. So we did it for 17th and 18th and we had 350 registrations and 320 abstracts. And so we had to extend the time by 1 hour each day and add another day just to accommodate the abstracts that came. It became, you can call it either an overwhelming success or you can call it an overwhelming failure because of quantity and not quality. So that is also a possibility. We don't know whether the quality is good or not. We will know when we actually do it, but we are now confidently arranging a 3-day conference with 320 abstracts and presentations. So we can hold the CME technically. I'm not talking about the rest of it. The web platform, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. I have experience in this. As to how to do it is left to you physicians, sir. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Shall I talk about now? One thing is, now we have got a virtual conference on October 17th and 18th being conducted by Manipal people. That's the regular conference part. So let us see about that. That's the first point I would like to say that. The second point, what I would like to say is whether we can think about arranging one program on dissertation, research methodology for the postgraduates. I'm just thinking because I'm preoccupied with my personal work, I'm not able to pursue further. So I'm just thinking whether we can have one program on research methodology, probably going on for 3 or 4 days, 2 hours each day, and thinking about different institutions on different aspects. So in that way, whether we can think about it and see how successful it is, probably then we can think about further conducting the CME program. That's my personal view.
Nanda, again, talking from personal experience, research methodology is something I'm pushing among surgeons. I don't know what physicians feel about it, but it is not taken with the same enthusiasm as either a conference or a CME. Nama CME the continuing surgical education, we will have 350-400 registrations. Research methodology, 60 registration.
Lakshman, it's our duty. You are talking about we must encourage these things like that. We are doing it regularly. We get about 100 to 150 registrations. We used to have it every year.
No, sir, I have no issue.
This time we are thinking about virtual program, whether we can think about having it.
Perfect.
And see how is the response. I'm just thinking. I'm not.
I personally feel Manipal is going to have 2 days virtual conference. We'll see the result. Somewhere January, February, we can have this sort of things.
Sir, ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಹಂಗಾರೆ CME ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ.
We can plan it for December, I think.
December also.
Let us take a decision now.
We'll look at this outcome of these 2 things, and then we'll think about probably.
Manipal is October, is it? October.
For October, we can plan for November end or December 1st.
Yes, I think we'll do it.
That we can always look at that point.
Sorry, sir. So we take a decision by 20th of October.
Yeah, sir.
No. Don't take 20th. No, make it around the 25th or 26th, around that time.
25th October we decide.
17th, 18th, you are also busy. Yeah.
And it will be a short CME, not the usual CME.
And whether it should be a regular CME the way you conduct it, or whether it should be a research methodology program.
It will be short.
We will do it by end of November, sir.
Yes.
Research methodology, we can do it now itself.
Okay.
CME can be planned in the end of November or December.
Fine, that's fine. Hangmana sir, Chandrasekhara sir.
That's what I'm just looking at it. Probably if I'm a little more.
Decide Marbudi, sir. Decide Marbudi.
Research can be done earlier. What is that?
Sir, it has to be tied up with many institutions for programs. It's not just.
You can.
In Bangalore, I can do it within no time. That's not a point. But we have to tie up with other institutions, speakers, all those things. It takes little time. So I'm not able to do it right now. If
Let us confine only to Bangalore.
No. I will, whatever support from my side, I'll definitely give it. Because I'm not able to commit at present.
I know it takes a lot of time, sir. I agree. But if you can give a list of people that you want to contact, Chandraya perhaps can contact all those people. If you draw up a list of topics, time duration, and the list of people to be contacted, perhaps Chandraya can talk to all of them and do that kind of, inverted commas legwork. And if you want to do it, you can do it by end of October, because if you're doing a CME in end November, then having both programs in November may be a bit of a rush. Research in October end al madi, that is a week or 10 days after the Manipal conference, and November end nalli CME madangidre madabodu.
No, if we want to do the research methodology, we have to do over a period of 3 days or 1 day.
No, I'm thinking in terms of 3 or 4 days. Every day, 2 hours, from 5 to 7. I think that's a time where PGs are a little more free, especially the new PGs. They can think about 5 to 7. each institution one day. So like that, even your biostatistics also can be thought of for a day.
It's very nice, sir.
And
Yeah.
other topics also we can just divide into 3 or 4 days probably. I'm just looking at that. I'm not this one, thought about the whole program. I'm just looking at it because regular programs, it takes about 8 to 9 hours. So if you divide into 2 hours each, it comes to about 4 days. We can think from Tuesday to Friday, from 5 to 7, because that's a spare time. The new PGs can spare their time and listen to it, because they have to submit their dissertations in the
Yes.
near future. Because the courses have started probably from August. So by end of December also, they are supposed to submit the synopsis. So let us give them some scope for these things. That's what I feel it.
Fine, sir. Sounds good. Yeah. Sounds good. Yeah. So, ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ sir ಇದು? When would you make a final decision about this? We can put it in the group and then we can
I
say.
think Chandra, I can start the work. I'll just give me another week to think about it, because
Yeah.
I'm not able to concentrate now this time.
Okay. So, how are you placed, Chandra? Sir, I heard you're also very busy with this COVID and all that.
Yeah, I'm also very busy.
Yeah.
Now, only thing is we have to contact the different institutions outside Bangalore if we are doing. Otherwise, we only Bangalore means it is easy for us to arrange.
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಬರೀ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್
ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಸಿ ನಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಫಿಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, and unless you know them, you know.
Such methodology, I am just taking help from you also.
Yeah.
Lakshman, it's not confined to medicine, and you also participated.
No, I know. But what I mean is, ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ರ್ಯಾಪೋ ಇದ್ರೆ.
Faculty we can have, but only thing from your side, if there is any good speaker who can talk on this research methodology, we want from input from you also.
ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್, I can do that, no problem at all. So ನನಗೆ
ಅಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿಯಪ್ಪ.
Topic headings.
But we can ask also Lakshman, because he has also done these programs.
Yes,
there are some good speaker, we can request him also to join for this program.
Sir, ನನ್ನ YouTube recording of our research methodology evidence based surgery program em ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, on the core group link ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
It may be something to do with thesis and all that.
Yeah.
I think you can also, need not be medicine only.
Yeah. In fact, I'm going to encourage surgeons to come.
Yes.
And attend that.
Yeah, they are
For everybody.
In fact, the BMC and other institutions will make it a point to all the department.
Correct.
And the other faculty, other departments also, they participate in the program, research methodology.
So, Chandra sir, ನೀವು
Program will contain all PGs from all the branches, not just medicine.
sir, can I suggest that we take decisions now and say let us confine it to Bangalore because of the busy nature of the two main players, which is you two gentlemen. So ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2-3 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ I will add my bit to it, and then you can finalize the date ಅನ್ನ tentative ಆಗಿ can we keep it as 25th October? I mean 3 days starting 25th October. Yeah.
You are doing a virtual, why you want to confine to Bangalore?
Arrangement ಅಷ್ಟೇ, physical arrangement ಅಷ್ಟೇ. See, the notice will go to whole country, but in arranging the faculty.
No, if you are doing virtual, probably you can think about Belgaum and Mysore also.
Sorry, if you can make a phone call tonight and convince them, there's no problem.
No. I'm thinking like that. One day, one institution looking like that. So that they can.
ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, thesis, how to write a thesis and all that. Same thing can be done. Take 2-3 days, few hours, that should be enough. And if it is a virtual com, you can get from others also.
Okay.
But anyway, that can be done. That is.
Okay, ಒಂದಿನ 2 ದಿನ time ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ sir, and we will communicate on WhatsApp as to what the decision is, maybe by Tuesday, and then we'll take a call. And tentative dates fix ಮಾಡೋಣ. 25th October ವೇಳೆಗೆ, which is weekend ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್, Friday, Saturday, Sunday ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್?
I think better we have to have it on working days.
Working days. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ 23rd, 24th, 25th ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀ.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯದಶಮಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ. Let us do it.
Understand my point.
I understand. Sir, I have a serious problem with me. I know it. I don't celebrate any festival. I don't go to any temple. So ನನಗೆ ಬರೀ ಇದೆ ನಂದು. So I know that I have a problem. So you tell me when you want it, I'll do it.
28, 29, 30.
Right, sir. Done. I just want that date ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 28, 29, 30th.
Yeah.
All right, done, sir. Done. 28, 29, 30th, 5 to 7, research workshop.
Yeah.
Okay.
All specialities.
All specialties. Right, sir. And the third, third final point, hoಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
Go ahead.
Okay. The third final point I put was to offer my services to do the communication for the trust. I'll tell you my background. I know that Chandraya is very busy. I know he's looking after very many ill COVID patients. ನನಗಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. COVID ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು surgical work ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. I'm seriously, I mean, everywhere it's experience everywhere. People don't come to hospitals. They definitely don't want to have operations unless it's an emergency. So I'm enjoying myself with a lot of free time. So I'm offering to say I will do the communication, and I take Chandrasekhara's point that it has to go through the office. We'll do that. I will write a draft of all the communication that we have to do and send it to the core group. And my only request is within 12 hours, adanna ನೀವು ಓಕೆ ಓದಿ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So within 24 hours of my drafting a letter, it should go out of the trust. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. Because I think it is essential for our seriousness, our public perception of what we are, to say that the communication must go quickly. Aita sir, your comments are welcome. And if
you're offering, the best thing, Chandra is very busy, but whatever
you say, I will not take offense.
Whatever your conception, please show it to Chandraya.
ಅದೊಂದು ಬರೀ ಚಂದ್ರಯ್ಯ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Chandraya ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಾ?
ಸರಿ. So everything that I write, I'll mark you a copy, Chandraya. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ರಾತ್ರಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ರಾತ್ರಿ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ, it will take 10 minutes. Read it and give your comments back to me, and next day I will send it through Suma.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right.
Well done.
Good.
Ashte.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right, sir.
No.
Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮನೆ ಸರ್,
ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮನೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನ್ ಮನೆ.
So they rang up and told me it is in the office.
ಹೌದಾ?
Last week. And I thought I may not be able to come.
Yeah, but they were at a meeting last week. That's why you maybe got online there itself. Sir. Last time you were in an office.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, sir.
Some decisions have been taken.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Good night.